Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn on subtitles on Hulu viewing setup step by step clearly. Open the Hulu app on your device or go to hulu.com in a web browser. Sign in to your Hulu account using your email and password. Choose any movie or episode you want to watch from the home screen. Press play to start the video so the on-screen playback controls appear. On a TV or streaming device, press the up or down button to reveal the control bar. On a phone or tablet, tap the screen once to show the playback menu. On a computer, move your mouse over the video player to display the controls. Find the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Select settings to open the audio and subtitle options. Look for the subtitles, captions, or CC section in the menu. Choose subtitles or captions to see the available languages. Select English to turn on English subtitles if that option is available. If you want another language, pick it from the list when supported by the title. Confirm your selection and return to the video player. Check the screen to make sure subtitles appear at the bottom during dialogue. If subtitles do not show up, pause the video and open settings again. Make sure the subtitles or CC toggle is set to on, not off. If you are using a smart TV, also check your TV's accessibility or caption settings. On Roku, open Accessibility, then Captions, and set Captions mode to on or replay. On Apple TV, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning, and turn it on. On Fire TV, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Closed Caption, and enable it. On PlayStation or Xbox, check the system accessibility or captions settings if Hulu captions fail to display. On a computer, try switching browsers or refreshing the page if captions are missing. On mobile, fully close the Hulu app and reopen it if the subtitle option is not responding. Update the Hulu app to the latest version to avoid subtitle and playback bugs. If a specific show has no subtitle options, try another title to confirm the feature works. For a consistent experience, keep subtitles enabled and test by skipping forward to new scenes. Adjust subtitle appearance only if your device offers size or style controls through accessibility settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.